Hello everyone, Larry with Larry the Computer Guy here. We're an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan, specializing in cybersecurity and compliance. So for this week's tech tips, you can report junk texts now and stick it to the scammers. Junk texts are downright annoying and you can block them, but it feels good to take some action too. So report text to the GSMA reporting server with just a few clicks. You can forward the message to 7726 or Google Text, and some other text providers are now putting a link that you can just click report junk in your messaging app. For the second tip, put your USB drive in the right way the first time. You see, plugging in a USB cable the right way feels like a no-brainer, but then why do we get it wrong so much? And why do we often break our USB ports? Well, here's a secret. You can grab any USB cable sitting around your house. You can grab any USB flash drive sitting around your house and look at the symbol, and you see how it's only on one side? Well, this is just not branding or decoration. That symbol will point up if you're plugging it in horizontally, and if you're plugging the cable vertically or the flash drive vertically, the USB symbol should face you. Now you know. Stay safe and have a great day.